how to manage digital wallets settings on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage it. First open your browser and then click settings, and now type here payments and click on it. Now scroll down, scroll until you find here digital wallets, and here just select any wallet you want, click setup, and that's it. Now select one of those here and click select, and that's it. Now click now manage all of those and then click save. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.